I don't know why people still drink soda. Isn't water the new Red Bull, but without caffeine and flavor?
Try being a fat burger. Look at me. I'm a triple layer fatty. Have you seen my buns? I need to try yoga. My body feels like melted cheese.
Yeah, and your breath smells like pickles and onions.
Wow, that was hurtful.
That wasn't me. That was the soda. Soda makes me say weird shit. I think it's the carbon dioxide gas.
No, that was you.
No, it wasn't. And when I get a refill, I will prove it. But you won't be here.
Why won't I be here?
I'm recyclable, and you're not.
Uh-oh.